Good morning, Falcons. I'm Tyler, and welcome to this week's episode of the Falcon Media. Here's Doja Alita with sports.
What it do, Falcon crew? It's your boy Doge, and we back with another sports segment, quarantine edition. Today, I'm outside just getting active because you know that's what us athletes like to do. Also encouraging y'all to get outside, keep the blood flowing, stay active. Don't get too lazy just sitting up inside all day. This week, throughout the week, I was hitting up CV athletes to do a little challenge with me. It's the C10 do 10. Basically, if you see 10 push-ups, you do 10 push-ups. And yeah, I hit them up and they decided they were going to go along with the process. So I'm going to start it off. I'm going to do 10 and you'll see the rest later.
Sicky.
There's my 10. You got to see the rest. Let's get it. And that's going to wrap up this week's challenge. Thanks to all the athletes who participated in it. I'm very appreciative of it. And I miss all of you guys, and I hope you're doing good. Love.
Thank you. Are you hungry, Falcons? Here's Andrea showing you how to make some fried rice.
The ingredients that you'll need to make fried rice are soy sauce and sesame oil, minced garlic, green onions, a type of meat, eggs, olive oil, vegetable, frozen or not, and 1 day old cooked rice. Turn your stove or pot to medium-low heat. In a large saucepan or wok, put in half a tablespoon of oil, a teaspoon of garlic, put in the normal cut onion, and save the onions cut angled for later. Mix until garlic and onion are golden brown. Put in around 3/4 cup of any vegetables or of your choice. Mix until vegetables are cooked. Put in your choice of meat and mix until the meat is cooked. Put in your day-old cooked rice and mix. Put in another half tablespoon of oil to fry the rice and mix until rice is fried. Then make a hole to put in your 2 scrambled eggs. Put in a teaspoon of oil in the hole and put in the eggs and mix until scrambled, making sure not to mix with the rice. Once eggs are scrambled, mix it in with the rice. Once mixed, put in your desired sauces, then mix. Add in the rest of the green onions and add some salt, and finally you're done.
Still hungry? Here's Ashton showing you how to do some baking.
Hey Falcons! How's quarantine going? Mine's going pretty well considering that I've already gone through all the family recipes. And I found a couple I was familiar with. One of them are orange slice cookie bars. They're like a blondie. And the ingredients for that are 1 box brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 eggs, 2 cups flour, 14 ounces of sliced orange slice candy, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a cup of chopped pecans. Now to get started, you have to cream the eggs and the sugar together. With the teaspoon vanilla. The next step is working with the flour and all the other ingredients. Now we add 2 cups of flour to a secondary bowl. 2. Next we add the pre-measured 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we add those. And then we add these. We have to break them up while we add them in. And mix with your hands, because the spoon will not keep all the clumps apart. And then you gotta slowly add the flour into your mixture. Little bit by little bit, until it's fully incorporated. And now that you've combined the mixture, you add it to your baking sheet that you should have pre-buttered and floured so that the mixture doesn't stick to it. Now add that, spread it out over your baking sheet. Now that they're out of the oven, we cut them into bars to eat. These took about 15-20 minutes to cook, depending on your oven. I hope you guys like it. Bye!
Thanks for that. Now here's Gracie and Miss King with some more information on counseling.
Hello, and welcome to my home office. It's pretty nice out here. So, there are 2 things that I know you guys want to know. Number 1 is, how do you get a work permit? So many of you guys are getting jobs, it's super cool. And so I decided, since we get so many emails from you guys asking us how, that we would talk about it here. And if you go to the College and Career tab at cvfalconpride.com, you will see the 3rd thing down is the application for a work permit. So you fill that out, your new employer will sign it, you'll sign it, your parents will sign it, and then you're going to email it to Leona Elliott, LELLIOTT@gwusd.org. She's going to have Mr. Turner sign it, and you get your work permit. It's a really simple process. The other thing that I know a lot of you guys are asking about is our seniors. You are now eligible to register for your fall classes at Shasta College. All of you guys have an educational plan. If you have changed what you want your major to be, then you just contact us, we'll help you out with that. But I also posted a really great video explaining the whole process about how to check college classes on your Class of 2020 Google Classroom. The rest of you guys might want to check your Google Classrooms as well, because we got lots of stuff there. All right, I hope you guys are doing great. We miss you. Bye.
Thanks for that. Now here's Haley with some information on how to stay caught up in school while you stay home, Falcons.
Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Haley Bowl. Today we're going to be discussing how to make distance learning a success. The first thing you'll need is a nice quiet room. The second thing you'll need is a fully charged, fully functional Chromebook. My Chromebook is videotaping this right now, so I won't be able to show it to you. The next thing you'll need is pencil and paper to write down notes, to write down questions you may have for your teachers, and to do some classwork. The next thing you'll need is a textbook. Now, some of your teachers have issued you textbook for classwork, so it would be good to keep it on hand. And lastly, I would like to talk about the internet. Now, if you are having problems with the internet, you're in luck, because Mr. Lee has issued hotspots for those who have little to none internet. And Ms. Shorten is available if you're having problems with your Chromebook, if it's buggy or not working. You can get a hold of them both by email or by calling the school. And last thing I would like to say, just because we've been handed lemons does not mean we can't make lemonade. Bye!
Wiggity wiggity, what's up, Falcons? Welcome to my Falcon Weekly Weather Report, Quarantine Edition. Man, isn't this fun? This coronavirus quarantine got me stuck in my crib doing these videos. I do miss you guys. I hope you know that. It's been so long that I can't even remember how to do basic math. Anyways, today you can expect it to be a nice 97. Crazy high. I'm not really a hot type of guy, you see. You see my physique, I burn. Anyways, tomorrow I expect to be 96, which is also extremely, really hot. I don't know if I can handle it. I'm not very good at handling heat. Anyways, on Sunday you can expect to be a nice 91. Yeah, that's right, it goes down. Isn't that beautiful? Anyways, I hope you guys are all doing good in this quarantine coronavirus stuff. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next weather report. Goodbye.
Thanks for that segment. Now here's Turner with his weekly update.
And welcome Central Valley High School. I wanted to first let you know, A, the reason I was wearing a hat the first couple of Falcon Weeklies, and B, why you should never play with clippers after your hair grows out in quarantine, because your hair could end up looking like this and you have a mohawk or faux hawk. I'm not sure which one this is, but nonetheless, I can make it look a little more presentable, and I'll have it back up and running in no time. But I hope everybody is doing very well, and you are staying on top of your schoolwork. Can't stress to you enough right now, we're really down to the final stretch, and so if you're not putting everything you have into this, you're going to regret it in just a few weeks. So the good news is we have so many kids right now that are participating, doing a great job. We're getting rave reviews from our staff, and those of you who are staying up with it are doing an awesome job. In terms of activities and all kinds of things that we'll be doing through May, I hope you saw our video tribute that our teachers did. It was just a minute and a half on Facebook. It was just a few words to describe our senior class. It was a lot of fun to do. Our teachers meant every word of it. And we will be doing some cool things. So if you're not following us on our social media, please do. It's CVHS Falcons for Facebook, and it's CV Falcon Pride for our Instagram. You will be able to figure out when we're going to have our virtual prom, when we're going to do our virtual spring fling. We're also going to have a senior cruise through in terms of, we usually have the walkout rally, we're going to have the drive in and out rally, and we'll have a lot of fun with that. That'll be on the 21st. There'll be a lot more information, so you can catch up on all things Central Valley. Most importantly, make sure you're catching up on your schoolwork and getting ahead. Those of you on your college classes, knock it out, because you should be coming right down to the nitty-gritty, and those are classes that will be able to go with you when you go to college and help you out and help your parents out in the pocketbook. So hope you guys are having a great day. Have a wonderful hair week. Do a better job than I did, but have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Take care and feel the Falcon Pride.
Once again, I'm Tyler, and thank you for watching this week's episode of the Falcon Weekly. See you next week.